Padma Shri Ramachandra Pulavar was born on 25th May 1960 in the village of Kunatur near Shurnur, the son of the famous Tolpavakuthu artist Krishnakutty Pulavar and Gomadiyamma. He started his career as a 13th generation artist in the traditional puppetry family. He learned the basics of puppetry from his father Krishnakutty Pulavar, who is famous for making the art of shadow puppetry of Kerala world famous from just being a mere temple art. From a very young age, he was involved in the field of puppetry. While experimenting with the Renaissance methods of Tolpavakuthu, he was very careful in maintaining the traditional beauty of this art form. This even added to the visual beauty of the art. Ramachandra Pulavar and his group performed the ritual art form of Tolpavakuthu in about 45 temples in the Malabar region. Sri Ramachandra Pulavar, who was highly skilled in this art, devoted his life to puppet workshops and puppetry presentations. In addition, puppetry is practiced in his teachings and is regularly performed in schools and at various venues. He has performed in Russia, Sweden, Spain, Ireland, Germany, Greece and Singapore. Sri Ramachandra Pulavar received a junior fellowship in 1991 from the Ministry of Culture, Government of India. He has authored a book in Malayalam titled Tolpavakuthu, published by Kerala Language Institute. In 2008, he received several awards from the Mother's Craft Foundation for his outstanding service in the field of puppetry, including the Lifetime Achievement Award, Excellence Award and the Dakshina Chitra Vritu. He was also awarded by the Government of Thailand in 2011 and also received the Kerala Folklore Academy Award, and thereafter in 2012 he achieved Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Kerala State Award, followed by the Kerala State Sangeeta Natak Academy Kalashri Puraskar in 2013, and thus goes the list of accolades received. In 2020, he won the fellowship of Kerala Folklore Academy. Sri Ramachandra Pulavar also received the Kendra Sangeeta Nadal Academy New Delhi President's Award for his contribution to Tolpavakuthu in Kerala. Sri Ramachandra Pulavar portrayed his uniqueness by shifting from depicting the traditional stories of puppetry to many different stories like Gandhi Kuthu, Yeshu Kuthu, Mahabali Charitam, Chandala Bhikshagi, HIV awareness and even Corona Kuthu. He is so dedicated that he left his government job halfway to protect this ancient form of cinema, the puppetry, and to train the next generation of artists, thereby preventing this beautiful art form from getting endangered. And for this, he has turned his house itself into a theatre for puppetry. To set up an extensive puppet museum under the undertaking of the government is what he has been striving for long. Though he had requested the government on this and did present many appeals, no developments were found so far. News Desk, Kaumudi, English.